Social media. Social media. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Nah, social media has done very, very good. Social media has done wonderfully. You see, if not for social media today, if not for the money where social media they give, if not for the cheap awareness where social media they provide, you see all these ones where they claim say they be nwa mame water, na how nwa mmiri, they be papi water, and the rest of them, we go the kolobi dibia nike, even though say dibia no there for their, but even though say dibia no reach for their hand, they go just the kolobi dibia, con their bali who akwụkwọ Facebook. If not for Facebook, if not for social media, lie. These people, if eventually for life call them say, legodu nwa mami water, legodu nwa wanje. Gina onya hamechaya. Gina onya hamechaya. But you see, because say social media they pay. Because say social media they do people celeb. Because social media is an easy way to become a celeb. Once you don't the trend, one day you are not a celebrity. No nyo na nazi ha nwa mami wata nike. Onye bla na nazi ha nwa mmiri nike. Onye bla na nazi ha dibia nike. Social media. La ị ga-ahụgota nnọọ ofu nwa agbọghọ lọ ike ụwa gwụrụla bụ otu nwaanyị ike ụwa gwụrụla kogidere ashanti onwe ihe ọ kụtara pịam na ya ehugharịa yiri akwa white yiri ajala n'olu tenzu bụrụ nwa ọgụgụ dee n'akụ ya na-ebe pim ya si ya nwa mami wata ya shi na mmiri. Nekwele bia before, I don't talk before. Obole say on 1 minute, I beg. Better may give the address of your family from me. When anything happen to you here in this life, you go kuma look for people who be 1 minute. May they go call your family members, so they go come carry you, go their land, go bury you. You know, suppose come here, come they disturb when you are born mad homo chineke. If say when something happen to you, now we will come they bear the responsibility. When you are sick, now we will come they contribute money. When you buy, now we will come they plan the burial, come dig grave, bury you. Whereas you get the family where you come from. Those who will say they be 1 minute, 1 minute. Give out the address of your family for water. So that anything where something happen, your people will be 1 minute like you. Go call your people, your family members, your pan and Maggie for that place. May they come carry you. They not supposed they give us wahala for this life. We be say I'm mochuku, chineke kaibo. Adi shi no shi, adi shi no ko shimiri. Nen nam monom, amakwa ndina nam. So address ebola amakwa me go icho be na comment section. Ka ngwa get the address of ebola ya ni chore mo ebe mshepota. Because I'm not this social media creates a room where we say onye pota ahunwa mmiri, onye pota ahunwa ge, onye pota ahunwa mami wata. Like papi wata. Money ke dibia na ma na family, mpa ya wo dibia na ya wo dibia, nwote dibia shi gawa fe n'ụzọ ọbụla ruo na family ha. Ge ya pota echi. Ya gbara ajala n'ụkwụ. Wuro grish na ihe ndị ọzọ kụchichi ụzọ. Gba insets gbajize ebe na-eshi kapụ ya wụ dibia eri ndị mmadụ mugwu eri ndị mmadụ fiye osi. Abeg I don't talk am. Social media has made it possible for us to see these people finish. Finally, No be every way they say be one mami water, one papa water be true, one mama water. Now just because of the money. Now the money with the social media, now he make all of them declare say they be one mami water, so they go they get cheap view. They will come to tell you use Fanta, write your name, put inside, drink them. Better things going to happen for your life. This one go say, take paper, write what you want, burn them, spread the dust into the air. Something going to happen for your life. Because now what people want. Aneri mugu, anakueri. Megalonwa mami wata. Oboyalonwa mami wata. Marura lagam nazu. Marura lagam nazu. Marura lagam nazu. Amanwe me bisia. Iba na bokulu. Iba na chware go bum bum bum. Ele nwa bobe imara onyi nefe. Marura lagam nazo. E nwa mami wata. Tell us the address of your family members. Gaga waha in case someone help lamberan. Mona come they disturb us here. Una label loan. It's time on your black alawe beke he. E nwa mami wata. It's time nega label loan. Ge nwa pape wata. It's time nega label kunu. Uno hapra yo wake chineke kreke jima ya ma. Ebeke we beke anyi. Ebe we beka anyi ayo umuchukwu. This earth belongs to us. Nwa mami wata la na mmiri na la ebe kunu. It's time ange bita chula show no bla ga side ke hagana eme ihe obula choro ime. If you be nwa mmiri, go to mmiri, go dey do your thing. Ge nwa oshi la no oshi ga na eme ihe gi. No come dey disturb us here. No come dey disturb us here or else